cameraman.
Yeah.
Thank God you got the camera so I can record that shit not through that well. Buddy, come on. There you go.
Look at that. It's beautiful.
Anyway, I'm gonna go across the top here. My brother-in-law, fucking, my brother-in-law, he taught me that shit. Put my finger shit. Ah, I'm gonna try to go around. So that's good. Look at that. Well, like, over here. Look at that.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm gonna go and we're gonna put this on. See this thing here? You didn't really grind down the thing, doesn't matter. So why I put this here is so we're gonna use it so we can do some hitch stuff, right? Okay, you know what I mean? Right?
That's it.
Looks great. So what this is, just so I can put a hitch. I'm gonna use this thing on the skid steer to move like trailers around or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So good. Into the hood, alright? Just make sure you don't let your people in, alright? So I think that's good. Alright, ready? Like, come across here, they can fuck up stuff. So it's it. Alright, that's doing pretty good. So you see how it's back a second? I'm gonna bring the voltage up just 20. 1920. You're gonna notice a big difference now. When I go to weld, right? Watch this. Not quick. Look at that. You notice the difference? As soon as I put look at that, as soon as I put that fire up there.
I'm using the phone to cover the arc. Unless it ends up frying the phone and the camera, huh? Or the camera on the phone. Yeah, I guess we'll find out. Beautiful. Got enough wire.
Half a dozen.
Yeah.
there was a Rick guy here. He had a hammer in his hand. Where the fuck did he go? He had my hammer. If you see him, you see.